Hi, I'm Aisha and I'm going to show you how to sign in to your Dewis Cymru account. Before you can sign in, you will need to verify your email address if you haven't already by clicking on the link in the automated email you will have received following sign up. Please check your spam folder. Once this is complete, you will be able to sign into your account. From the home page, click Sign Up, Sign In at the top left of the screen. To sign in, you will need the email address and password that you registered with. Tick the I'm not a robot box. You may need to complete the reCAPTCHA data if it pops up to prove you are not a robot. Click all the relevant squares on the screen to highlight which squares contain the required objects and click the Verify button. Wait for the green tick to appear before you click Sign In, otherwise your sign in will fail. Now click Sign In. You have now successfully signed into your account. You will see your display name in the top left-hand corner. If you are unable to sign in, it is usually because the password and/or email address has been entered incorrectly and therefore doesn't match what you created when registering. It is easily done. Check that the password email address you have typed in is correct. You haven't copied and pasted any additional spaces. You have ticked the I am not a robot box and waited for the green tick, and you've not left the caps lock on. If you need any help or support to use Dewis Cymru, please contact us by emailing help@dewis.wales.